Your Honor, Ms. Falconeri's own testimony proves she was never forced to stop breastfeeding her child. The mayor was merely stating her view that to her the act was distasteful, an opinion she's entitled to. It's guaranteed under her First Amendment rights to free speech. This case has absolutely no legal merit whatsoever, and I ask that it be rejected. Thank you.
Defense counsel would have you believe that my client was not asked to stop feeding her child in the manner that she chose, in the manner that the law allows. That may be the literal truth, but it's very misleading, and I'll tell you why. The word of the highest elected official carries a lot of weight, especially when the law as writ doesn't provide means for mothers of Port Charles to seek redress if the mayor or other government actors choose to impose upon them their beliefs of what they think is good and proper, or what they don't. This has to be remedied. We're asking the court to close the gap between the legislature's intent and the actual law. We are asking the court to protect its mothers as its mothers protect and raise their children. Thank you.
Settle down. I am ready to make my ruling. I sympathize with the plaintiff's plight. However, there are fundamental flaws in her case. Flaws that stem from the facts and evidence and thus altogether undermine this suit. As has been pointed out, breastfeeding is already legal in this state. I see no need. Excuse me.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm just helping a friend find her seat. You can see she has her hands full.
Very well. As I was saying, breastfeeding is legal, and the plaintiff has presented no evidence to indicate the need for... What is going on?
I'm feeding my son.
Like she's legally allowed to do.
I hardly think a courtroom is the appropriate place to feed a child.
Is there room for one more?
Oh, yes, there is. Go over here.
What is the meaning of this?
These kids are hungry.
Can't they do that in the bathroom?
Why should they? What is wrong with what they're doing?
They're not bothering anyone.
Yeah, what's wrong with that?
Leave them alone.
What's wrong is that what's natural to them is inappropriate and offensive to most others.
I'm sorry, what's offensive about it? Excuse me. Why is it okay for a man to take off his shirt in public, but it's a criminal offense for a woman?
Because it's not criminal, that's why. The New York state law allows for a woman to go topless anywhere that a man can.
Yes, but most people just don't want to see that.
Well, then they shouldn't look.
Right.
Order! I will have order in this courtroom.
No, there's nothing out of order about this. A woman has every right to breastfeed in public. If I was a mother, I would do it just right along with them. In fact, as Alexis pointed out, I have every right. So here, what's out of order about these, Your Honor?